everyone, welcome to Ask an Armourer. My name's Kia and today I'm going to be showing you the process by which I find the area of a lamé that's dead so that I can patch it. So all you're going to need for this is the lamé in question, a marker, and a multimeter that can read down to 1 ohm levels. I've discussed why this is important in my video on tool recommendations, so I'll link that below if you're curious about why I make that specification. And of course, you'll just need the probes to go with the multimeter. For this one, it doesn't really matter if you have the clip or wand style one, so whichever one you have on hand is fine. To start, you'll want to look over your lamé very carefully. Look for any areas where the material looks worn or if there's an obvious hole in it, if the seams have separated, and that the zipper is actually in good shape. As well as the Velcro. This is just to make sure that we prepare to fix everything when we're doing this and don't get surprised later when we think that we have taken care of the issues and something else pops up. Now, if you do find you have an issue with the zipper, this could start getting complicated to repair, as that will probably mean that you need to get a new zipper installed, which is a fairly complex bit of sewing to do, so unless you're a fairly accomplished and comfortable sewer, I would recommend either having somebody else do that for you or find a new lamé. But if it's just something like the Velcro is peeling up a little bit or a seam is slightly separating, that can pretty easily be fixed just with a bit of hand stitching. So once you've checked and made sure everything is in place that way, it is time to find the borders of any dead spot. So go ahead and lay your lamé out on a clean and flat surface and grab your marker and your multimeter. Make sure that your multimeter again is set to the 1 ohm range of what your settings are, and go ahead. I have one clip on here, so I'm going to just clip this down at the bottom where I know the lamé still works. And now from here, all you're going to do is slowly and carefully move the second probe around to find the edges of the dead spot. From here, all you're going to do is slowly and carefully move the second probe around to find the edges of the dead spot. You'll know you found it when the display on the multimeter jumps from the acceptable range of under 5 ohms, right here I'm reading at just over half, to anything over that. In this case, it's completely dead, so therefore it is showing me infinite ohms. So I'm just going to work my way back along this path here until I find that border. So basically right here is where the dead spot ends, and I can shift it out just a little bit and we get back to the acceptable range. So I'm going to take my marker and just put a dot right there. Now I'm just going to continue in this fashion all around. I know that this area here is kind of what I'm looking at in general, so I'm just going to work my way all around and continue making dots to find the entire border. And now you can see I have this nice outline of where the dead patch is. So now for when I go to the next step, all I need to do, it cuts off at the seams here and up here at the shoulder, is just follow along with this. And that's it. A little bit of patience and your lamé is ready for the next step. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, or other topics you'd like me to cover in the future, let me know down below. See you in the next one. Bye.